Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here going to run through this trade with you on the 6th day of June, 2025. We've uh, we've closed the U.S. closed live trading room, and we always pick one of the trades that we got in the room today and show you what we did. All right, let's give a little about the setup here. Notice we have a stair step long that we've failed to complete. That is an enemy proof. So we failed to close an ABC pattern to the high side. So I'm looking for the first signal coming back the other way, and it's this beautiful strong candle coming down. We have that Samurai Day Trading strong candle indicator, which you can only find at samuraidaytrading.com, and it tells us where to trade and the direction we want to trade. So red is short. We're going to trade toward the bottom of the screen, and this candle is stronger than the previous one, so we're going to go ahead and take it down. Now we do have a few brick walls in the way, but we've set up a 15-minute signal as well, so the larger charts are in agreement. And the failure up here is going to be stronger than the brick walls down here most of the time. And we'll put our trade on and see what happens. First, we look over here at the PVI. We expect the next candle or next move to go anywhere from 60 to 75 ticks in length. So we'll come over here to our ATM and we'll go for our 16s, 30s, and 60 tick targets. The one added on is to pay the fees. So we're going to clear 15, 30, and 60 on this particular trade. So everything's set. Let's see how we wind up. All we need is for this candle to push up a little bit. It's already done that. It needs to push up a little bit more. So let's see how it goes. Well, we know how it goes, but yeah, needs to push up more than that. We can put a cover order on, but I really don't want to do that. I need more of a retrace than that. See, it gets down to our shadow trend indicator, bounces off of that. Now, if it makes a decent move up, then we'll put our order in. The second time through, it should go through there. All right, that's enough. Now we'll leave it on regular speed till we get picked up, maybe get our first target out. I do have just about 16 ticks uh, before I hit the R1, so my first target should be taken out before I hit that particular brick wall. It'll put us in a break-even position. So even if this picks us up, pays our first target, and then takes us out at break even, that's the worst case scenario. On the other hand, if our larger chart signal goes, this should be able to pay all the targets. So here we go. So risk is where it belongs over the last failure point. Now we'll make it a little faster. It's never pleasant to get the sweat, but sometimes that's what you got to do. There you go. All right, first target's out. So now I'm at a break-even position. Oh, first two targets are out. So 30s are out. And we're going to get down here to our 60 tick target. Maybe, maybe not. Well, it got really close, like about 2 ticks away from taking out our last target. Now, if it takes me out at break even, I have to make the call as to whether I want to re-enter the trade again or not. And sometimes it doesn't takes more than one candle to get paid. Yeah, the market was on fire again today. All right, no reason to get out of the trade. We'll just be a little more patient. See if we can get our 60 tick target taken out. There we go. That's it. All right, that took about 6 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in about 6 minutes, then come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. God bless you, and we look forward to seeing you in the LTR soon. See you next time.